official platform of Sanskaram group of school. I am Ritu and today we are going to discuss the topic decimal. Before this we have discussed the part 1 of decimal and now we will discuss how to compare the decimal numbers, how to arrange them in ascending order and descending order. So see the first example is given here. ओके सबसे पहले हमें देखना है कि किस तरीके से हम डेसिमल नंबर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. सो वी हैव वन एग्जांपल हियर 42.875 एंड 423.95. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट 42 इज अ होल नंबर. ओके जो डेसिमल द नंबर बिफोर डेसिमल इज अ whole number and the number before after the decimal is a part of a whole number, right? So 42 is a whole number and 875 is a part of whole number. So see how to compare the decimal numbers. Here we have 42 a whole number and 423 is a whole number, right? So we can compare that 42 is less than 423. So we put the sign of less than. Okay, we put the sign of less than here. Now we will discuss the next example. See this example. Here we have two numbers 23.75 and 23.89. Here you can see both the whole numbers are equal. So we will check by the next digit. Means the tens place, the place after decimal is tens, okay, and after that the next is hundreds, so first of all you have to know about the places after decimal or places to the right side of the decimal. So we can see the whole numbers are equal, right? So we will compare by the next place, means tens place. Here we have 7 at tens place and in this number we have 8 on tens place. So we can say that 7 is less than 8, right? अगर 7 8 से छोटा है तो हम कौन सा साइन पुट करेंगे? लेस देन का साइन पुट करेंगे, right? So you have to compare a number. Firstly you will compare the whole numbers. If whole numbers are equal, then we will compare the next place, tens place, and then if the tens place are equal, we will compare the hundreds place till if the hundreds places are also equal, so we will compare the thousands place, right? So here we get that 23.75 is less than 23.89. Okay, so we will take some more example. As we have a number 98.272, okay, and the other number is 98.03459. Okay, when you see the number, you will say that this number is greater, right? You say this, but we will compare by the places. According to places हम compare करेंगे. So first of all we will compare the whole numbers. Whole numbers are equal here. So we will compare the next place. So place after decimal is tens place. Okay. The next is hundreds place. And the next one is thousands. Right? So we will firstly we compare the tens place. Here we have 2 on tens place and here we have 0 on tens place. So which one is greater now? 2 is greater than 0. So we will put the sign of greater than. Okay? यहाँ से हमने कंपेयर किया कि होल नंबर्स हमारे इक्वल हैं. होल नंबर अगर इक्वल हैं तो हमने नेक्स्ट प्लेस चेक किया. नेक्स्ट प्लेस हमारे पास 10th प्लेस पर हमारे पास 2 है और इस नंबर में 10th प्लेस पर हमारे पास 0 है। तो हमें पता है कि 2 जो है 0 से ज़्यादा है, सो वी विल पुट द साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर देन। आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि इस नंबर में डिजिट्स ज़्यादा है तो ये नंबर बड़ा होगा, हमें कंपेयर करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेसेस, राइट। सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू कंपेयर द गिवन नंबर्स। ओके, now see the next one. When we learn how to compare the given numbers, then we can arrange them in ascending order or it may be descending order, right? So first of all we will discuss this how to arrange the given number in ascending order, right? So first of all you have to know that ascending means smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger. Okay, so see here we have some numbers 3.5, 12.2, 7.9, 1.6, 3.2 and 3.4. सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे सबसे छोटा नंबर, क्योंकि हमें अरेंज करना है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में। सो लेट्स सी, हॉल नंबर से चेक करते हैं। हॉल नंबर में हमारे पास है 3, 12, 7, 1, 3, 3, राइट। सो सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या हुआ? 1. 1 is the smallest number. So first of all you will write this number at first place, right? So we have 1.6. सबसे पहला सबसे छोटा हमारा नंबर यहाँ हो गया है 1.6, right? Now we will not check this number again. Okay, then other numbers are, here you can see 3, 3 and 3. Whole number is same. So if the whole number is same, then what we will do? We will compare the place after decimal, means tens place. Here we have 5, 2 and 4, right? So we know that 2 is the smallest one. So on second number we will write 3.2. Okay, after that 4 is greater than 2. So we will write 3.4 on third number and then 5. Okay, so we will write 3.5. Now two numbers are left here. We have 12 as whole number and 7 as whole number. So tell me which one is less? 7 is less than 12. So we will write 7.9 and then last number is 12.2, right? हमें इसी तरीके से कंपेयर करना है। सबसे पहले हमने चेक किया होल नंबर और उसके बाद अगर हमारा होल नंबर सेम है तो हमने चेक किया प्लेस आफ्टर डेसिमल, राइट? सो अगेन वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. सी द नंबर्स आर 8.5, 8.02, 8.11, 8.009, 8.23 and 8.7. Okay, if we see all the whole numbers are same here, so what we have to do? We will compare by the tens place, right? So here we have 5 on tens place, 0, 1, 0, 2 and 7. So which one is the smallest? Right, 0 is smallest here, right? But we have two numbers on which 0 is on tens place. So what we do now? Now we will check by the next number or hundreds place. So here we have 2 on hundreds place and in this number we have 0 on hundreds place. So 2 और 0 दोनों में से अगर हम देखें which one is smaller? 0 is smaller, right? 0 is smaller. So on the first number we will write 8.009. Okay, then on the second we will write 8.02. Okay. Now we will not compare these number again. We will check the next number. We have 1 here, 1 on tens place. So we will write 8.11 because 1 is greater than 0 or less than all other numbers. So the next number is, if we see here is 5, 2 and 7. Now which one is smallest? 2 is smallest, so we write 8.23. Okay, and then 5, 8.5, and the last one is 8.7. Right? You got it? We arrange these numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay, we have one more example. So see this example. The number is 6.8, 5.45, 5.057, 6.20, 5.8 and 6.003. Right? If we see, the whole number in these numbers are same. Okay? And the whole number in these numbers are also same. So what we do? 5 is the smallest, right? 5 is smaller than 6. So first of all, we will compare these numbers which have 5 as whole number. So see the next place, means tens place. We have 4 here, 0 and 8. So which one is smallest? 4, 0 and 8. Which one is smallest? 0 is smallest. So we write this number on first place. So 5.057. Right? After that 4 is smallest. So we write 5.45. Okay? And then the next and last is 8. So we will write 5.8. Right? So we have arranged the numbers which have 5 as whole number. Now the remaining numbers are 6.8, 6.20 and 6.003. So what we have to do now? We will check the next place, means tens place. On tens place we have 8, 2 and 0. So which one is smallest? 0 is the smallest. So we write 6.003. Okay. The next is 2. So we write 6.20. Right. And the last number left is 6.8. So see how we arrange these numbers from smaller to bigger as ascending order. Okay. Now how to arrange the given number in descending order? So we know that descending means bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Right? The process will remain same. We will check by the same method as we use in ascending order. First of all, we will check the whole number. So we have 6, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 4 as whole number in these numbers. So first of all, the greatest one is 6. Right? 6 is the greatest. So we write 6.3. Okay. Now the next is 4. So we have two number with 4 as whole number. So we will compare them. We have 1 at tens place and here we have 7 at tens place. So which is the greatest one? 4.77 is the greatest one. So we write this number 4.77 and then we write 4.1. Now the numbers are 2.8, 2.90 and 2.19. The whole number is 2 and the whole number is same. So we will check on tens place. So here we have 8 on tens place. Here we have 9 and 1. So which one is greatest? 8, 9 and 1. 9 is the greatest. So we will write 2.90 and after that 8 is greater than 1. So we will write 2.8 and the last number left is 2.19. Right? You got it? How we arrange these numbers in ascending order? So we will discuss one more example. Okay, see, the whole number in all the number is same. So what we will do? We will check on tens place. Okay, we have 7, 1, 0, 9, 5 and 1 on tens place. So which one is greatest? We know that 9 is greatest, so we write 2.99. After that 7 is greatest, okay, so we write 2.7 and then 5 is greatest, 2.56, okay. Now the number left 2.18 and 2.17. So the tens place is same. So what we do? We will check the next place, means hundreds place we will check. On hundredth place here it is 8 and here it is 7. So which one is greater? 8 and 7. 7 is greater. So we write 2.18 and then 2.17. And the last number left is 2.06. ओके, सो आई होप आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया कि किस तरीके से हमें वन बाय वन प्लेसेस चेक करके नंबर्स को स्मॉलर टू बिगर और बिगर टू स्मॉलर अरेंज करना है. ओके, नाउ this is the practice exercise, this is the worksheet which you will solve by yourself, and if you get any doubt then you will send me the doubt in the comment box. Okay, if you got the complete content, so like this video and share this video with your friends. Subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.